Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Emma and I run the baking blog lightscamera-bake and this channel obviously. I've been doing a new sort of series where I've been testing new chocolates, new flavours, doing a versus which I did with Nutella and the cheaper versions. I'll link some of those videos below and you can check them out on my channel. I'll also put a link to my blog on this video so you can go and have a look at some actual recipes, but today I have a very special one and it's one that's close to my heart, and that is I saw a new Kit Kat flavour, so I am super excited. But not only that, I am trying another Nestle flavour in the form of their Milky Bar. So I have their Milky Bar. It's nutty and crunchy and it has no other description other than that. It doesn't tell me what that means, but from the picture it looks like it could be almonds and biscuits, perhaps through the Milky Bar, perhaps, I don't know. And the Kit Kat is chocolate fudge sundae. So I am super excited to try this, but I'm going to start with the Milky Way Milky Bar, because I want to save the Kit Kat till last. I'm not a fan of white chocolate, so my analysis of this might be a bit biased. And so as you can see, it's like a normal Milky Bar but with little specks through it, which I'm assuming are crunchy and nutty. So I'm going to give this a go. Okay. It tastes of white chocolate. That's all I can taste. It's white chocolate with crunchy pieces throughout. That is essentially that. I don't taste any nuts. It just tastes like white chocolate with crunchy bits. So I'm a little disappointed with that one. Disappointing. Okay, I'm not even going to focus on that one anymore. I'm going to go straight to this Kit Kat. Oh, I'm so excited. Hot Fudge Sundae, here we come. So I'm just going to bite into it. So I'm going to show you the inside. Up the top is a hot fudge layer, which is hot fudge sauce. It tastes exactly like hot fudge sauce. Then we have a creamy layer, which I don't know how they did this, but it tastes exactly like vanilla ice cream. It's so weird because it does. It tastes like, a bit artificial, like a bit of an artificial vanilla ice cream, but it tastes like vanilla ice cream, so that is bizarre. And then of course you have the normal Kit Kat layers. Oh my gosh, it is like eating a hot fudge Kit Kat. Like, it really is. Like, this is so weird. It is like having a hot fudge sundae. It's so bizarre. This is insane. If you like hot fudge sundaes and you like ice cream and hot fudge sauce, this is for you. Oh my gosh. It's so weird how they get that flavour. Probably so artificial. But, you know, it tastes good. Try it. Let me know if you like it. And if you have any other ideas for different foods to try that you want to see me try, or any other videos, any ideas you have, please let me know. And if you like this one, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. It would mean the world to me. Make sure you check out my blog and other videos for more baking videos and more challenges and things like that. And I will see you next time. Bye.